السلام عليكم سنة جماعة دحوالتان أوروكا طبعا آخر ڕۆژی ڕەمەزانە حاليا ساعات سارة تشين باشوی دەکەینەوە پێتەنشان دەین چ حازر دەکەی برادرێکی کۆریشمان گاز کردیە لەوەی پێکەوە نانی بخۆین لەوێ هەندە سەوزە و تەماتەم بردیە زەڵاتە چ بکەم هەروەها هەندێک برنجی لێنم بۆ پاشی و لەگەر هەندێک چای بێکە لەگەڵ کادرێ بخۆین طبعا مطبەق لە کاتی پاشیوان چۆلە لەبەرەوەی هەموو کەسێک پاشی ناکە وەدەنا هەندێک لە مەسوانەکان دێن و بێک و خواردنەوە دەکەی و نانەک دەخۆین. السلام عليكم. Hello Muhammad. Brother, how are you? Very good. برداغە برنجێکی ببین بەسە لە بۆ منە و برادەرەی زیادیشە ئێستاوامە شێڤنینە بە شتۆکەکی لێ دەزاین و ئیشەکەی خۆوانی پێتەتی دەکەین یەکەم جار هەندێک برنجەکەی دەشۆمەوە دواتر ئەو جار لە ئاوێ دەکەم دواتر لە جەلەی دەنێم هەرچەندە شێڤنیمە بەس عیبی نییە شتێک دەردەچی ئەو جار زەڵاتۆکەشی بۆ دروست دەکەم و بزانین جەماعەتش چیان دروست کردی و پاکستانیانە پەراتە و چایە و پەراتە و چینانیە لەگەر هەندە شتی دیکە هێلکە هەموو پاشوانەکەی دەخۆن نازم کو بێزار نابن فکەم مەڕوونەکیش بەقرچێنینەوە و برنجەکەی لەسەرکەین سەرۆکی جەماعەتی ئەولا دێنەوە کاکە عێرفانە پاکستانە وەژ مامۆستا تارەقە خەڵکی بەگلادیشە بزانین خواردنش دروست کردیە هەندە برنج و ئەوەش نازانم گۆشتا ئەمۆشتا و زا شتێکر کردیە عافیەتی بی. Today Muhammad cooked something that he doesn't know what he cooked. Do you know this thing? شتێکی وای دروست کردیە هە بەخۆش نازانین دروست کردیە ها؟ Do you know this thing? Yeah, what is this? What do you think? Looks like rice but it's not rice. It's something different. Don't know what is it.
Macaroni.
Macaroni?
Yeah.
This is macaroni?
Have you ever seen like such kind of macaroni?
Oh, they're so different, man. Yeah. Where did you get it? In another planet?
No, from Dējōn.
Dējōn, okay, nice. Oh, hello Jungso, how are you, man? Are you doing good?
I'm good.
Welcome, bro. I was waiting for you. Look,
say.
today might be the last day of Ramadan, so I have cooked some rice. I know you don't like your veggie, right? Yeah. So rice and some salads also, it's in there, and also some tea, so you can eat together. Yeah, my bro. Oh, you're the best, man. Okay, I think it's almost ready. ئەوش برادرە کۆریەکەمە کەەوە چاوەڕێم دەکرد ناوی جۆنگسوچەیە دێگۆ برنجەکە زۆرە ئەوەندا وەرە گوتم زۆری چێ جارێ چ نەدیتە خارە دەبی هەمووی تەواوکەی کورد دەستی گەورەیە بە خۆت دەزانی. This is the rice that they ordered for us. Yeah, it's a little bit sticky, you know.
You need to drain it. You wash it several times, and then later. In my case, I'm boiling and then like a pasta, boil them. And
boil
then when
them.
it's boiled.
Yeah, I think let's go. Yeah, I already put the tea in there. Everything is in there. So let's go. Let's go.
Go first.
You first. Yeah. The first day, Jongsu joins us for sahur. أوش جماعتي بأشيوه. السلام عليكم. Time, yeah, I know, yeah. It's 20 minutes, I think. الله بجي فل عشاير خارج جنوسو فل عشاير ناين دخوة والله بجي لازم تخش. Hi Tarek.
I don't know, maybe flavored one.
How are you, man? Guys, Tarek is married. I have a proof that he is married. Yeah, I have his picture with his wife. Yeah, in the wedding picture.
Yeah, it's totally a picture.
Huh? AI?
Yeah.
What AI?
Why you want?
Oh, Jongsu. No. Don't wash it, man. Why? ماشەڵڵە زۆر بەڕێزنەوە کۆریانە. ئەو جەقاپەکەشی بەخۆش شتشتەکانی یعنی جارش کەشەکەشکارمان دەوعات کرد جارێک لەگە برادەرەی قوبوری نەکرد کەوا لەوەی بشوین. Yes, teaching, yeah. Okay. See you, man. Well, you're fine. This is the worst part. Washing the dishes, right? Yeah. Eating is good. Fasting, everything okay, but washing the dishes.
That's the most difficult part.
Yeah. قابشتون لهم مكان ناخوشتره الحمد لله جو تاوينو سبينيش دو كلاسمان هيا قل إبراهيم هري غارده هات زوبها تفيرا بقيت تخوما تأخيرين كاكوا مسألة كتك غاردين أما طبعا دو بناي زانكو من هي زانكو كمان ناي KDI Korean Development Institute دوو بابلین کامپەسی هەیە یەکەشە مین کامپەسە کە بینای سەرەکیە لێرانەیە هەر لایەکەن داخلی خۆمانە زۆر نزیکە بەڵام ئەوەی دیکەیان کە کامن کامپەسە لایەن زانکۆیانی دیکەش بەکاردێ ئەویان تۆزێک دوورە لێ زانکۆش پاسی دابین کردێت لە کاتەش داریکراوە دەمان بە چاوەڕە تۆزێک داخلوینە یعنی هەر دەقە لێرەوە دوورە. Hello, it's late, Ibrahim. Why you're late, man? Why? But what's wrong with you?
I can't breathe, man. Too much running.
کاکە خارە هەمزە هەموو جارە تاخیر دەبیتن ئەوجا ڕۆکە هەنە نووسە سەعات دەونی و نووسە ئێستاش 12 شتەکە 12 دقیقە بەسم شت چاویکەن چاوی سۆر بیتەوە سۆر نووسە فەقیرەی زۆر ماندیە عندە تاخیر دەبێتەوە بەس برەیە تو لەوە دەکەکە ئیبۆ کۆریا ئیبراهیم کورە چاوەکەم لەمەوە زوو بە زوو yeah. Also, you're always late, man. You are later than me. Biji Kurdistan. Pardon, bunu yürüyeyim bro. Cemede. Yaştan burada da. Hadi. Draga. Zor draga. Ama tahir kirdi İbrahim. Öpsem ya. إبراهيم زارش كم تأخير نكى. إن باتسو.
He was not even running.
هات اللي ودك إبراهيم. You like it? Do you like the
I
quality?
love it. It's a good phone.
Thank you, man.
Yeah.
I also love you.
When did you have
إبراهيم. وخاري إبراهيم. سامانا إيبو.
Yeah.
الله إيبو حياة.
That's Bekas Aziz.
He's the best.
From
Yeah.
Kurdistan.
ما شاء الله.
My brother, mashallah.
سلمانا
You're looking
برشتاكا.
good. You shave your hair?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, that's
Is it
good.
good?
It looks different. It looks really
Oh yeah. Finally.
Can I get your hair? Can you give it to me?
Yeah. You
Please donate your hair to
You
me.
can borrow it, but please give it back to me tomorrow, okay?
Yes.
This
Thank you.
would look very funny on you.
Because maybe tomorrow is Eid, so I need it for Eid.
Can I tint it?
Huh?
Can I tint it green?
No.
Then I give it back to you.
No. You should not change the color.
I should not change the color.
Yeah, exactly.
But this color may not look good on me. Maybe I need it black, like mine.
No. This is the natural color. It will suit everyone.
Even your beard is a natural color? It looks a bit orange.
Yeah, it's natural, man.
You didn't tint it?
No, never. Guys, what's the university is this? This is
Seoul National University.
Seoul National.
No.
How many universities here?
5, 6, not
5,
sure.
6. Can you name them?
Korean University,
Korea University, okay.
KDI School,
Cool.
Seoul National University.
Seoul National University. Okay.
I'm done.
You're done?
Yeah.
Okay.
There's something it starts with an H. It's up there.
Баскетбол сильно, يلا. Баскетбол сильно. It's in a classy. Class man here. It's a class man here. Let's go. Biji. Sorry man, are you good? Tired. Why? هسه نيجي بجماعتك. يلا بانجدا. أنا وياك كيف Let's do it in
إقام الصلاة.
الله أكبر لا إله إلا الله.
You're supposed to be the
Pardon.
imam. You're supposed to be the
You are the Imam Ibrahim. Hey man, what's up? How are you? What was your name again? Rio from
Indonesia.
Indonesia. Amazing, man.
Where are you from?
I'm from Kurdistan.
Kyrgyzstan?
Kurdistan, yeah. We are Kurds. Maybe you have heard of the Kurds in the latest news for the the war between Iran and US.
Near the Iran.
Yeah. Our region is in Iraq. Yeah. We are divided into 4 countries: Iraq, Iran, Syria, and Turkey. So we exist in all those countries. Yeah. But our main, I'd say, the region that we have, it's in Iraq. It's called Kurdistan region.
You're the only student from here?
No, we are 2 students, me and Dana. Maybe you know Dana. Yeah. You'll meet him later on, inshallah. Ibrahim, Assalamu alaikum Ibrahim. Alaikum assalam, rahmatullah. Hey man. Bishop Kurdistan.
You good?
Yeah, good. Yeah, I prepared this. Is it nice? Let's do it. Okay. ئەپی پایسکیلان هێڵە ڕێگەوەپەوە توانی پایسکل بەکرێ بگری و هەروە تێشەکەشی توانی 90 دقە هەر 90 دقە بە 1000 دینار کە تقریبا 1400 خۆمان دەکا یاخود ئیشتراک بکەین نیشتراشی 6 مانگم کوردەوە نمونە بە 200,000 کۆریان وانی کۆری کە تقریبا 20,000 خۆمان دەکا. Like GTA. پایسکلانی نازانم پایسکلانی نازانم ڕێکی ئیش و کارم پایسکلی دەچینەوە داخلی زەوج خۆش. Be careful, Hamza. Hello. Let's go.
This one. Yeah, take this one.
Nope.
That's a bad one also.
Hey. Yavrum zaman.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Send it to the cycle.
Yavrum لپیشان دماوە. إبراهيم ها هو باشكري تيك توا عاطي هو يا Hey, impazzo! Hey man! Go! يلا بابرين خوش ها پایسکری بچه دامه باشیر بوری پایسکری جو هوا نوشاد. Hey man, what's up? GTA, San Andreas. Let's go, move away. خود داده بابا خود داده. Oh, calm down. Why did you bring us to here? What the hell is wrong? Could Ibrahim لودك Ibrahim? طب مش عارف يعني شيء ندر رينا ما. Thank you Ibrahim. Thank you. Rouse. Stop. They cannot stop. شو سوالي؟ باتسو حامي باتسو.
Just carry your bike.
Let's break the road. Yeah, we can just go there. Yeah. Hello. How are you doing? Cycling club. Yeah, we're breaking the law. We are the law breakers. Everything is recorded, don't worry guys. Oh, how do you do it, man? Okay. Yeah. Okay, let's go.
Which one was my bike? Huh? Yeah, it's all the same, right? Okay. Huh? Şu Kurdistan. Kurdistan. هسكري بتسوي داخلي رياضة شكلها باشا زوج خوشة بسيا سنة رمضان ها لەبەر هەندێ ماین دەبی و ڕۆژی تۆ عادەتە تێین دەبیگەنە رێزیەکە. Guys, slow, calm down. Ibrahim. Good Ibrahim. Oh, Ibrahim. Guys, slowly, what's wrong with you?
We are GTA.
What GTA? We are falling behind, man. You are my friends, they are attacking me. There was a car. They had RPG, they had everything. Wait, for the bikes, there is no rules, you can cross at any time. Let's go, he's waiting. No, don't go.
You need to go, the car stop first. Okay. Go.
Thank you.
Look at him.
Okay. It's okay, let him have some fun. Hey, Khalid Ibrahim, look. Why are you doing this to me? Wow, Korea! Hey, Ibrahim. Oh my God. Ibrahim! Yeah. Part is over, yeah. ولا نروح ها. لو اللي جاي زود إزعاجه. You're tired like hell. Let's go. Hoje گەشتینەوە بە شێرەبۆرەی عەمرم کەماندی بووین بە شێرەبۆرەی GTA ئەوە GTA ڕاستیەوەیە لە سۆری دەکاکم شێ پێدەی. Hello, Tanvir, how are you, man? Hoş geldin. Oh my God.
Wait, this is mine.
Oh, Hatino. Yes, this is yours, man.
You don't need to find your
Mission. Yeah, mission accomplished. Nice job, guys.
Don't forget to return the
ئەوزە جەماعەت ئێستا کەش دەچینە شاری دێجۆن. شاری دێجۆن شارێکە کەوا نزیکەی نیو ساعتێک لە شارەکەی خۆم کەوا لە شاری سێجۆنگین ئێمە دەژین و لەوێندە زانکۆکەمان لەوێندەرە دوورە نیو ساعتێک دوورە و وەروەها شارەکە ئێمەش تقریباً 2 ساعتێک لە پایتەختۆ لە سیورەوە دوورە وەکو لە ماپەکە دەیبینن شاری دێجۆنگ ئێمە نزیکەی دانیشتوانەکەی 1.5 میلیۆن دەبێ شارێکی گەورەیە زۆر لە شارەکەی ئێمە گەورەترە یەکێکە وەبزانم لە 4-5 شارە گەورەکان کۆریا و هەروەها زۆربەی کات ئێمە دەچینەوێ بۆ کڕینی شتومەکی حەڵاڵ و چەند با بڵێن هەڵان ئەیژە مارتێکی لێیە بەمانای ئەوەی با بڵێن چەند دوکانێکی پاکستانی و حەڵاڵی لێیە لە بۆ کڕینی گۆشت و هەر پێداویستێکی میریشکی حەڵاڵ بێ لەوێندەر بەدەستمان دەکەبێت و وە بۆ کڕینی شتومەک و ئەو بابەتانە شار دەچینەوێ هەم نێزیکە و نرخەکانی گونجاوە.
Let's go, Lee. Let's go. Let's run. Oh my God. Hi, Lily. Guys, this is Lee, my friend, my Korean friend. He's so good looking. He's smart. Such an amazing guy.
Oh my God.
Oh my God! Wow!
Are you going to the jungle, Lee?
Yes?
Yes. Okay, we are so excited to go to Dejong. Let's have a really good meal together.
Okay.
You know it's Ramadan, right? Do you know that? Yeah.
It will be end today.
Yeah. Right now we are fasting, but
Oh.
for the dinner we break our fast
Oh.
in the time of prayer.
Ah.
Yeah, it's almost like 6:30, something like that.
6:30.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, exactly. You're handsome, man. Guys, just look at him. He's so handsome. He's telling himself that he's not handsome. Why?
You're better than me.
Me?
You are more handsome than me.
Thank you so much, man. But you have the best face.
I'm sure that.
Appreciate it, man. My Korean friend. What is your name? Introduce yourself.
I don't know.
Are you
We have
YouTuber?
to.
Yeah, exactly. Can you introduce yourself? Yeah, your name, introduce yourself.
Okay, my name is Hiteche. Yeah, very nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, man. We are from exactly which city of Korea?
천안.
Maybe like
Chana.
Yeah, Chana.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. See you guys.
Yeah, see you.
See you.
See you.
Bye. ساعتنا دێجۆن إفتارەکەی لێرە دەکەینەوە. You'll do iftar here, Ibrahim. Are you happy? You're gonna eat with us, right? There's a really good restaurant here, like Uzbekistan. Halal. Yeah, come with us. It's great. You will love the food, Ibrahim. I am sure.
I'll go. It's impromptu. I
Yeah.
have to buy some stuff, but let me just go.
Yeah, brother,
Let me go
come with us. You
buy-
have to join me.
With
If
my
you don't,
Kurdist brothers.
yes, exactly. You will make me happy. You will make yourself happy as well.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you,
I
man.
have to do it.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's do it.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah. Nice, such a nice music. وش حلال جمارتا حلال جمارت قالتين نشتي بكرين ده شيء حلال زين. Ibrahim, what do you need? They have almost everything.
Oh.
Yeah. Kamli, maybe you need something.
What is dates?
Or dates.
Dates? Ah, yeah, I know.
You know dates?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I know.
Oh, I need a date. هم صدقيني وإيرا أو جماعة داوي دو براتين خدو لو خلا بينوا. Test the microphone. Yeah. Now, Lee is the vlogger. Talk to us.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, we can hear you definitely.
Oh,
Yeah. Okay.
just Korean?
Yeah, in Korean, in English.
Let's go. 저는 여기 가게에 왔는데, 여기가 어딘지 모르겠어요. Only English?
English better. Yeah. Practice your English.
I don't know where it is.
Do you know what do you need? What are you looking for in this place?
I want to know.
Maybe we can help you.
Iraq food.
Iraq food.
Oh yeah,
Okay.
I want to know Iraq food.
Yeah, Kurdish food.
Oh yes.
Kurdish food.
Kurdish.
Yeah. They don't have Kurdish food. You have to cook it. We need to cook it for you.
Oh yes.
Yeah. Okay. Ibrahim, did you get yourself your things?
I got it. I got
Great.
my wallet. Thank you, brother.
Anytime,
Now
man.
let's go have some
Let's go.
Uzbek food.
Yeah. Let's go.
Air suit.
Yeah.
Soup.
I think some of them are foods, like you can just warm it up. This is like plav. It's like biryani, some rice, some other stuff.
What is this?
Yeah, it's also a prepared food. It's like dolma, I think. Yeah, dolma.
Dolma?
Yeah,
Dolma? What is
Yeah, it's a traditional food.
traditional food? Oh,
yeah.
I want to eat it.
Yeah.
I want to eat it.
We can cook it for you.
Okay.
One day, you cook this and we can eat it together.
Spicy or?
Depends on you. You can cook it however you want. Here is our Korean vlogger. He's here. Such a handsome guy.
Actually, I'm not good at English, but I'm good at Konglish. Konglish means Korean plus English.
Yeah, actually, his English is great. Yes, brother.
Subscribing to your YouTube channel.
Oh, thank you, man. Wait for more videos. Subscribe me for more videos. Like, subscribe, comment.
ئەو خارە ئیبراهیمی سەبسکرایبی کرد بەزەنگۆ ماینا سەبسکرایب بکەن و شێری ڤیدیۆکە بکەن ئەو جەوەرنەوە
Oh, where are you from?
The Gambia.
Cambia?
Gambia.
Cambia. It's African.
Yes.
It's Africa.
No, West Africa.
West Africa. Ah. Kurds language.
Yeah, Kurdish
Right now.
language. Yeah.
Wow.
I was talking to him in Kurdish. Yeah. Let me teach you something. In order to
Only
say-
two. Only two understanding.
Hmm.
Only two people.
Yeah.
You and
Yeah. Only two
Dana.
Kurdish people here. Me and Dana at KDI.
Hmm?
So yeah. Let me teach you something Kurdish. In order to say 안녕하세요, you say slow. Yeah. Repeat.
안녕하세요.
Yeah. No. Speed. Repeat.
Ah.
Slow.
Hello.
Say slow. Slow.
Ah. 안녕하세요. Ah.
Say
okay,
slow.
okay.
Repeat.
Okay.
Yeah. Slow.
Okay. Okay. Talk to me.
Slow.
Slug.
Slow.
Slow.
Means hello.
Hello.
Hello. Yeah.
Ah. Slug.
Yeah. Slow. Yeah.
Slug.
Slow.
Slow.
Slow. Yeah.
Is it right?
Yeah.
Slug.
Yeah. That's right. Another word.
Another word.
If you want to say long live Kurdistan,
Hmm.
if you want to say long live Kurdistan,
Hmm.
you can say Biji Kurdistan.
Music Kurdistan.
Yeah.
Music Kurdistan.
Yeah. Look at the camera and say Biji Kurdistan.
Music Kurdistan.
Yeah. Thank you, man.
Thank you.
Biji Korea.
Music Korea.
Biji Korea means long live Korea.
Ah.
Long live Korea.
Music Kurdistan.
Biji Kurdistan and Biji Korea.
Ah. Okay. Music Kurdistan.
Yeah.
And Music Korean.
Yeah. يلا باقرين. Lee, let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
ئێستش کاتی بەربانگ و گەیشتینە بە ڕێستورانتە ئوزبەکستانەکە کەەوە بە ناوی فەرگانایە.
안녕하세요.
السلام عليكم.
안녕하세요.
السلام عليكم.
살라마이쿠. 살람.
Yeah.
살라마니쿠.
Thank you so much.
살라마이쿠.
Yeah. Vloggers. Yeah. Thank you, man. Yeah.
살라마이쿠. Okay.
عليكم السلام. خواردنەکانی ئەنا تامەچی ئوزبەکستانیە. خواردنەکانیان زۆر بەتامە. مسلمان و حەڵاڵە و دەرەجەیەکە.
Kazakhstan. National food. Beş bar.
وەلی خیارە لی هاتینە لی.
Fish palm.
Hi, Lee.
It's Kazakhstan, right?
Yeah.
You guys are from Kazakhstan?
Uzbekistan.
Oh,
And this guy,
Yes, bread
he
is
loves
my,
bread.
bread is my life.
He can eat the whole bread alone.
Exactly.
It's his life. He cannot live without it. خوا قبولك يا إبراهيم.
Do pray for me.
لك دقيقة معايا.
I said that as a good one.
30 seconds. 30 seconds. We are counting the time in order.
Yum yum.
Yum yum yum.
Good day.
Lee loves the food. The bread. Let's break our fast.
Go.
I'm giving one. Thank you.
Here we are.
Thank you, Lee. Also, you break your fast, please. Yeah,
I
he's
try.
also. You already broke his fast.
Oh, delicious. Try.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Don't forget to say Bismillah Ibrahim. How is it, Lee? Is it good? You like it?
Beef or beef?
Delicious, huh?
It's
Ibrahim,
adding pepper
Pepper.
in beef.
Yeah.
Ibrahim, how is it?
Good.
Try this one.
Thank you. I wanna deserve you guys for this food. These foods.
It's a tradition.
Yeah, traditional
Thank
Korean
you so much. But
Yeah,
it's a lot. It's
Korean
expensive.
traditional culture.
Culture. Okay.
So
When you first meet someone, right?
Yes,
Your friends
yes.
going out with them, you're paying for them.
oh, you
You
guys
treat them.
are guests.
Guest. Okay.
Yeah.
You're your guest in Korea.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. أنا ودريتم باشا دريتم عيدي منا أقول كم زاري هاتني در لقمن لكتير خويانا كتير زور جوانا
Yes.
خوش بي هرتن درين نبي درينا إلا عيدي منا
Yeah.
دستك عند خوش long live Kurdistan in Korea.
I want to go to your country and
Yeah. You come visit our country, we'll treat you, you'll be our guest.
but your country is conflict.
This part is inside Iran.
And
this part is
Close.
inside Iran.
Okay, Iraq.
And this part is inside Syria, and this part inside Turkey. It's four parties. For Kurdistan.
Oh, Iraq,
Yeah, this Iran,
Syria.
Syria, Turkey.
Oh, why divide in this one Syria?
Yeah, this
ڤیدیۆدا باشترینە سەرتا
portions in
دەوڵەتی
Syria is
بە ساواتانی هاتیە
settled Kurdish people.
Ah, they only lived in
زۆر
there.
خەمخۆرە زۆر
Yeah, only live and
I understand it.
Yeah, you understand?
here. In Adil
Ah,
This is my city. Adil city.
It's like a spider city.
I know.
It's like spider.
I know it. Got it.
You know. You understand now, right?
Yes,
Okay, good.
completely.
Completely.
Yeah.
Yeah.
This Kurdistan. This Kurdistan. This Iran. This Iraq. This Syria.
Very. Yeah.
Music Kurdistan.
سامعني هي دستور كاري إبراهيم موقفي يا إبراهيم Fargana. Ibrahim, remember the name, it's Fargana.
My brother
My brother.
from Kurdistan.
My brother from Gambia.
Our big baby.
Thank you. Our big brother.
Big baby.
Thank you, thank you. Yeah,
24 years.
yeah, because I'm young, that's why.
Very young.
Yeah, very young, very young. Yeah,
28.
28. You have a wife?
bigger.
You have a kid?
I'm a wife and a daughter.
Yeah,
A wife and you should have
Yeah.
a wife and a daughter.
Yeah.
28.
yeah. Lee, come. Join us. I'm taking a picture. Yeah. Come. All right. 안녕하세요.
National Pangarsan.
Dominic. Great, thank you, man.
Yeah. Senegal, bro? Senegal, yeah. Senegal, yeah.
Thank you, brother. So much, Fargana. Great restaurant.
I
Thank
look
you.
like Sadio Mane?
Yeah.
I like you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
See you. Yeah.
Oh, Sadio Mane.
He's calling me Sadio.
Yeah, you look like Detective Carter.
I'm Detective Carter. Do you speak any English? Do you understand the words that are coming out of my mouth?
Yeah, بقول لعيبة جدسيت النزاني ساديو ماني تقريبا مزيات الباوي دسي لكولر in the rush hour Detective Carter. Not me, you.
You.
Yeah.
Who are you?
You.
No, not me, you.
Yes, I am you.
Just answer the damn questions. Who are you?
I have told you.
Are you deaf?
No, you is blind.
I'm not blind, you blind.
That is what I just said.
You just said what?
I did not say what. I said you.
That's what I'm asking you.
And you is answering.
Shut up. You.
Yes?
Not you, him. What's your name?
Me.
Yes, you.
I am me. He's me. And I'm you.
Rightly. I'm saying collaboration, working together is so helpful. You will not fall behind if you do that in life, right?
Okay.
Yeah, we have to help each other. We are humans, human beings. We need to be social. We need to help each other.
Okay.
Correct?
Oh, correct.
Do you agree?
I agree.
Okay. Say that in Korean that you agree that it's a good thing.
Okay.
Yeah. Say that
Try.
in Korean. Say
Korea.
that in Korean.
Oh, in
For
Korean.
my audience, speak a little bit of Korean.
Okay. 뭐 먹었어요? 어떤 걸 먹었나요? 당신은? 당신은
당신은
어떤 걸,
어떤 boy?
어떤 것을? let's go.
Okay, let's go. Okay.
Okay, we have 20 seconds. Whoa, 18
Oh.
seconds.
2 seconds. Come on, Lee. You can do this. I trust you.
I'm Korean.
You are better than this.
I'm Korean.
You did it.
인터넷 중증성이 거주시설 상품원에서
아, 올리브요.
Oh,
올리브요?
Olivia?
You go 올리브요?
Ah, Olivia. Olivia.
No.
Do they have the one that you said?
어?
Do they have the product you told me?
Oh yes.
Okay.
In here,
Is it good?
but buying internet online
It's better.
is cheaper. Okay.
Cheaper. Okay.
Okay.
It's coupon. Coupon.
Oh yeah, coupon.
Oh, I will use the coupon.
Oh, where is he?
He's going to buy cigarettes.
Ah, cigarette.
Cigarette,
Ah,
كم ساعة تاكسي زواني؟
where is he?
تاكسية ساري سباقة.
7-Eleven.
تاكسية
أوكي،
سريعة
أوكي.
زوز سريعة. كاكم صوت غريب كري. لو وقت راوي.
당신은
당신은
무엇을
무엇을
먹었습니까?
먹었습니까?
어.
What's the meaning? Teach me.
What kind of food did you eat?
Did you eat? Ah, okay. Repeat again.
당신은
당신은
무엇을
무엇을
먹었습니까?
먹었습니까?
아.
먹었습니까?
What kind of food did you eat?
Yeah, what kind of DDP? Right. 먹었습니까?
무엇을 먹었습니까?
Kitchen.
Chicken.
Chicken. No.
And rice.
Rice.
Okay.
Yeah,
Also rice, yeah?
Juice. Okay.
I thought the bus, right?
Yeah.
وبزعم كيشنوا سكان خيرات ده متستي خاللي فابرق وانت كمالو
شربوا؟
تسركاتن
10분?
دي ده كم فلوجر دي
Okay. 4 minutes.
4 minutes.
Wait.
Yeah. Well, how do you, what's 4 in Korean? 4.
4분.
자부. 사.
SA.
사.
4분. 4 minutes left.
4 minutes left.
4분 남았어요.
4분 남았어요.
Okay.
4분 남았어요.
Okay. Oh, good.
Good.
Good.
Oh, thank you. yeah. 4분 남았어요.
4분 남았어요.
안녕하세요.
감사합니다.
Yeah.
So wow.
Huh? Yeah. Lee. I will sit behind Lee. Hi, Carly. So many. Okay.
Okay.
Now we are there. Where's the mic?
Oh, here.
Okay. Is it working? Yeah, it's working.
Okay.
Let's go, Lee.
Go.
Now
I'm shy.
this is your vlog. Yeah.
Oh, my vlog?
Yeah.
Oh.
Say anything you want to say.
Wow.
Kako laga Carly mkredita vlogger. Kredita vlogger.
This place is KDI School.
KDI School. Yeah.
Yeah.
Nice. Show this wall.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So nice, huh?
Okay.
What's written in Korean?
Research of future.
Research future.
Yes, research future will lead to world.
Little word. Okay.
I'm not sure, Maker.
It's okay. It's okay. At least we know it's about research. Yeah.
Okay.
Everybody.
Today I was very happy and meet you and there.
Yeah. Dana, Ibrahim, those guys. We were much happier to have you. And thank you so much for inviting us.
Yes.
For the invitation that you did that.
Mm.
Yeah. It was a lot, but you insisted.
Insisted.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Jaka hade go illi pari b'dam. نابی دایک باش باوک باش کاکە نابی پارەی بدە ئیلە پارەی دەدەم باش کاکە مشکلە نیە داوەتماکە داوەتی کردنەوە ڕۆکە یا ڕێک مارە داوابی
Your language, in your country language?
Yeah, I'm talking in my language. I'm describing you, saying he did that. They have such a nice culture.
Oh.
Yeah, great people, good-looking people.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm saying he's so handsome.
Handsome bakers and handsome Dana. Handsome Uncle Dana.
Yeah, Uncle Dana. Hey,
Handsome Uncle Dana.
Ibrahim is also handsome.
Handsome.
Look at this guy. He made himself into Korean. He changed his hair.
Not bad. I want to just,
He will go at Korean later.
Yeah. Perfect. Yeah, let's go. Let's go, Lee. Let's go, Lee. الله وجهي خالي ساماني ڕۆژێکی تایبەت بوو دەرەجەیەک بوو
Chicken.
خێنی گەرە شیرنەوە خێنی هەزۆ شیرنە نازم بە چێتووە
We had a dinner.
You know, Lee, today he's a vlogger. He makes vlog. Yeah.
It is mandatory for me.
Exactly. Yeah, in order to pass the exams. Yeah, introduce this guy.
Yes.
Yeah.
He's my senior.
Okay, really?
From Gwangju.
Gwangju.
Same city.
Yeah. Okay.
Same work.
Amazing. Okay.
So we graduated from same university.
Yeah. What's his name?
Q. Yeah.
Q. Same major. كاكا وانا خزمن.
Oh yeah.
ديك جاي جاينا.
He lived in second floors.
Second floor.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, I saw him. Yeah, I see him sometimes. Very well.
Very.
Who? Yeah, he changed it. I'm talking about it. Now he looks like Korean. Yeah. No, I saw multiple. They're like the models, right?
Model.
Yeah.
Is it like drink earlier?
Yeah, let's go, Lee.
No, we don't